I'm Nathan, and this is Garageless Garage. This is my 2001 Jeep Cherokee Sport. It's got the bulletproof 4.0 liter, 230,000 miles on it. It's all right. It's got these hood pins. They're factory. The latch definitely didn't break off, and I did that as an easy fix. Got to pry it open with a screwdriver. Got a light bar and a stinger bar. I've definitely used that. Stock ride height. I might lift it, I might not. Depends how I'm feeling. My Mickey Thompson rims. Yeah. Anyways, it's a fun project. It's got some things wrong with it, like the taillights are atrocious. Previous owner did that. I'm not a fan. It's got a muffler delete, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, overall, it's a fun car. It's fun to drive. It's fun to work on, so it'll be interesting. And this is my extremely high-tech 1995 Chevy Corvette. It's only got 96,000 miles on it, but it's been a handful. I've had to do the brakes already. It's very quiet. I got to replace the catalytic converter, and by replace, I mean just put a couple of pipes there. It's 25 years old. It's no big deal. It'll smell, but it'll smell good. Muffler delete too, obviously. Just full straight pipe, probably. It's a convertible, so it leaks a little bit, so I'll probably have to fix that. It's got some issues, but overall, I've enjoyed the car. It's a fun car to work on. I've had to do like a couple things to it. I had a throttle position sensor, stuff like that. I might need to redo the pop-up headlight motors because they are both fried, so that's great. And it's going to need a little bit of repainting on the door, so that'll get done eventually. So yeah, this is my 1995 Corvette. So basically this channel will comprise of like replacing spark plugs, doing small maintenance, an oil change or two. Easy stuff like that I can show you how to do it. If you don't know, need to do it. You might have a little bit of fun. You might learn a thing or two from watching. No, you don't need to show that. That was there before the Corvette. So yeah, you might learn a thing or two. It'll be fun. We don't touch this. I don't like this. I might, but I probably won't touch it. Anyways, stick around to watch my videos. This is Garageless Garage, and I hope you learned something. I hope you have fun. No, don't.